Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Volkswagen Passat. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe nighttime driving and preventing glare for others. We will cover the simple steps to get your beams perfectly aimed. First, let's gather a few basic tools you will need for this task, such as an 8mm Allen key, a screwdriver, a tape measure, and some masking tape. Having these ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Before making any adjustments, proper vehicle preparation is key for accurate results. Find a flat, level surface and position your Passat exactly 25 feet away from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tires are correctly inflated and the fuel tank is at least half full. If you usually drive with passengers, have someone sit in the driver's seat to simulate the typical weight. Now, let's mark your target. Turn on your low beams and use masking tape to mark the exact horizontal and vertical centers of each headlight on the wall. Measure the height from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Next, locate the adjustment screws on top or behind the headlight housing. Use an 8mm Allen key or a screwdriver to turn the screws, adjusting the beam's brightest part to be 2 to 4 inches below your horizontal mark. After adjusting, remove all tape from the wall and confirm both headlights are fully functional. Observe the beam pattern to ensure it is even, with no excessively bright or dark spots. Finally, take your Volkswagen Passat for a night test drive. This allows you to verify that your headlights provide clear road visibility and do not cause glare for oncoming drivers, ensuring a safe and pleasant driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.